Okay, now I'm recording.
Bruh, it's already done it over.
Alright, Kylan, you ready to fuck up your suspension?
Oh shit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, do not do this at... Ah! I just cut him off! I'm talking back here! Bitch, I kill you! Bitch! Damn it! Damn it, damn it, damn it! I was trying to talk to you, Tim. What? I'll come over here and fucking strangle you.
I'll strangle you, Drew! His speaker's about to blow out back here.
Okay, as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, do
yeah.
not do this at home.
Roundy outside! Roundy outside!
I'm talking here.
Holy shit! Oh god!
Oh god! Oh, my nipple, you bastard!
Oh, sorry!
Slam on the brake!
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Where'd my phone go? Oh god! Fuck!
Hard to put your seatbelt on when you're in the car with them.
Seatbelts, meat belts. Who needs them? Am I right? I'm just gonna sit like this. Nothing bad will happen.
Nothing bad will happen my ass.
For me.
Shit! Shit!
You don't got.
Fuck!
Oh crap! Crap! Oh shit! Shit!
Shit! Fuck! God damn! Root beer! Root beer!
Hit the brake. Just keep doing that. Shit! I don't know where any of my shit is, bro.
Holy fuck!
Keep doing it.
Oh my god!
Oh, yeah, he hit his head on that one.
Fuck!
Oh,
Yeah, there's a concussion. Damn.
Bad brain trauma now.
God damn!
That's like what? 3 concussions?
Fuck, bro.
Ow! Ow! That seatbelt's a bitch. Ow! I just slammed into these fucking.
Oh my god.
He's gonna be dead.
Holy shit.
I think we can all agree that David has it the worst.
Yeah, I'm.
Oh crap!
Oh shit! Yeah, he did.
I think we can all agree
bitch.
David had it the
I
worst.
have to work.
I got fucking whiplash.